Hello my dear students, 9th class mathematics exercise 1.5 in that main question number 5. Rationalize the denominators of the following. So here up to Roman 4 questions are given. So question here, rationalize the denominator. So check it out here. In first question there is irrational number, second there is also irrational number, in denominator it is also irrational, and in fourth question denominator having irrational number. So here all are irrational numbers present in denominator. So to become this irrational number into the rational, that is nothing but rationalize. So converting irrational numbers, so irrational denominator in the form of rational, that is nothing but rationalize. So how to rationalize? Come to solve here. So one by one. So solution for first question. So first 1 divided by square root 7. Okay. So here one more thing clarify. In denominator, whether it is a monomial or binomial, we have to check it out first. Okay, monomial or binomial. If monomial present in denominator for rationalizing purpose, then we have to be both numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number whatever the present in denominator. Okay, both numerator and denominator multiplied by the same number which is present in the denominator. Okay, for example, if square root of 7 here present in denominator, then we have to be, it's a monomial, then we have to be multiplied both numerator and denominator by square root of 7. Okay, why? Because it is a monomial. If binomial is present, check it out, there's second question. First clarify this point. 1 divided by square root of 7 minus square root of 6. So here, if this type binomial is present in denominator to rationalizing purpose, then we have to be multiple both numerator as well as denominator with the same number, but the binomial's opposite sign in between. Okay, here binomial term having in between negative sign, then we have to be totally oppose this sign. If minus sign present, then it write as a plus. If here plus present, then we have to write as a minus and minus. Okay, so this is point clear. So here how to solve this one? 1 divided by square root of 7. So rationalizing this number 1 divided by square root of 7 into monomial term present, that's why same number multiplied both numerator and denominator, square root of 7 divided by square root of 7. Here numerator multiplication 1 into square root of 7, it becomes square root of 7 whole divided by square root of 7 into square root of 7, that is square root of 7 whole square, that is equal to root 7 whole divided by square root and square get cancelled, so it becomes 7, and this is the final answer. So we convert here, rationalize the denominator. Okay, here 7 is the rational number, so square root of 7 is a rational number, so this is the final answer. Okay, first question is clear, and next second one. One divided by square root of 7 minus square root of 6. So here binomial term present. Okay, so if binomial term is present, then automatically we have to be write its rationalizing factor is changing the sign. So use the bracket, next multiplication sign, binomial term present, that's why square root of 7 plus square root of 6 whole divided by square root of 7 plus square root of 6. Okay, when we cancel these both the terms, once again it remains as it is. That's why we make it. Okay, so why we taken the opposite sign? Because we apply here the formula, that is the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, remember once again that identity. So 1 into total bracket multiplication, that is numerator multiplication, it becomes square root of 7 plus square root of 6 whole divided by square root of 7. I will write first and explain later. Okay, whole square. Okay, come this part. Here root 7 minus square root of 6 into square root of 7 plus square root of 6. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So formula or identity for this one, a square minus b square. So in place of a there is square root of 7, in place of b there is square root of 6. Okay, so next a means root 7, that is a square, and b means that is root square root 6 whole square, that is bracket square. Okay, so here numerator remains as it is, divided by square root square get cancelled, it becomes 7, square root and square get cancelled, it becomes 6, that is equal to square root of 7 plus square root of 6 divided by 1, and final answer we have to write as square root of 7 plus square root of 6 divided by 1. It will not write. Okay, this is the answer or solution. Point clear? Next, third one. Once again binomial present in the denominator, but in plus sign. Okay, so here 1 divided by square root of 5 plus square root of 2. So what the number next? Square root of 5 minus square root of 2. Square root of 5 minus square root of 2. Why? Because here denominator having plus sign in between, so it becomes minus and minus, opposite sign. So numerator multiplication, square root of 5 minus square root of 2 whole divided by, once again here a plus b into a minus b. Once again apply the formula or identity, that is equal to a square minus b square. So here what is the meaning of a? That is square root of 5 whole square. What is the meaning of b? That is square root of 2 whole square. So that is equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 2 whole divided by square root get cancelled, 5, and square root get cancelled, that is 2. So that is equal to square root of 5 minus square root of 2 whole divided by 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. This is the final step. Okay, point clear? And next, Roman 4. One divided by square root of 7 minus 2. Here once again binomial term present, in between minus sign, but in multiplication power we write both numerator and denominator, that is the opposite sign, that is the plus. Square root of 7 minus 2. Okay, for rationalized purpose, so we make it as square root of 7 plus 2 whole divided by square root of 7 plus 2. So make it bracket Next, that is equal to 1 into total multiplication, numerator multiplication, that is square root of 7 plus 2 whole divided by. So this is once again in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Always remember, in the denominator, if binomial term is present, then automatically the identity applicable is a plus b into a minus b. That is a fix, okay, and that is equal to a square minus b square. So here a square minus b square. Okay, what is the meaning of a here? Square root of 7. And what is the value of b? That is the 2. So it becomes square root of 7 plus 2 whole divided by square root and square get cancelled, that is 7 minus 2 square is 4, that is equal to square root of 7 plus 2 whole divided by, that is 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, and this is the final answer. Okay, you practice well and be perfect. Okay, and these are the very helpful for your 10th class. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment. Okay, thank you.